Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. I have a ridiculously exciting haul for you today. It's my order from the Coffee Monsters Co. Anniversary Sale Part 2. And if I don't open this new fountain pen, I'm going to spontaneously combust. So let's just get started. So it comes in this little box, and I'm definitely keeping this. I wouldn't normally be one for keeping lots of boxes, but this one's going on my shelf. Gorgeous little details, all the little tabletop treasures of little emoji planning. But if you look at the side, it looks like it's little desk drawers, and then the top of it has polka dots. But if you look at the back, it has a little message. You can pause this for a second if you want to read it. I'm not going to read it now, but it has March 5th because that was the anniversary date, but it was actually released on April 5th. And then at the side, it looks like another little drawer, and it has a little brown pull, and that's where you pull it out to discover the pen. So you get a little washi paper special sticker sheet with the emoji planning, a sticker that looks like the fountain pen itself, which is awesome, and an ink bottle, and so on. That wee one with the emoji cleaning the fountain pen is cute. Be hard to make myself use these up, to be honest. And then what's this? Scan to activate your pen. Activate your pen? I don't know what that means. I've never bought an Esterbrook before. I will look into that after. And then, oh, Helen has signed that. Gosh, did she sign everyone? She must have had a sore hand. Thank you so much, Helen. I'm keeping that. That's a little treasure of Helen's signature. Anyway, getting sidetracked. So this is the pen. Wow. And then you get a pre-filled ink. Looks like it's blue. I'll not be using that anyway. I bought the real ink. But it has a cushion pad at the bottom. And then underneath it, Helen with her details, is a little pile of sticky notes with emojis peeking out the top. So yes, let's open up the pen. And every pen is unique in this little part, and you'll see in a minute the top of the pen. And it was created, I believe, by a guy called Jonathan Brooke. And he called his part caffeine withdrawal. So it's like a bronze gold rather than a yellow gold, which is exactly what I like in the clip. And it says Esterbrook, and then this has the unique part again. You'll have to excuse me not knowing technical terms. This is my very first Esterbrook pen. I believe the type is an Esty. It's also my most expensive pen, but so far it's totally worth it. It's gorgeous. But anyway, the pen itself is like a milky coffee colour, and everybody cross your fingers that the part at the top for me is darker than it is lighter. If it's not, it's okay, but I just really want it to have the darker vibes rather than the lighter, because I'm me. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not pull, it's screw. I want to pull it. Yay! Oh, yay! Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, oh, that's gorgeous. See all like the swirl? That's the part I was talking about that's made by him. I mean, it does have the lighter parts in the back, but that's fine. That, you know, it's just part of the charm of it, and I like that. I just wanted it to be predominantly darker. And the fact that that part's on the top, it's just perfect. And this will look completely different with everybody. Anyway, the top part, I got it in a medium. I found that medium just seems to be my preference. And I really hemmed and hawed and watched Helen's video about 100 times, going between fine and medium, but I went with a medium. But as you can see, it has a little emoji engraved into it, an emoji head with sparkles around it. And I believe they have a spring mechanism in their cap. Oh yeah, cool, I can feel that. And it's something to do with the ink tip not drying out if you haven't used it for a while. Don't ask me how though, the science behind that not drying out, but that's what it's for. Anyway, you unscrew this, and I love the fact that they give you a piston filler. You don't have to buy it separately. Right, so let's look at the ink, and then we can fill this up and play with it. So the ink is called Forgotten Iced Coffee, and this, Helen always does this, like nutrients at the side, and it's just so funny. But at the bottom it says not safe for consumption. Many refills per container. Esterbrook 30%, Coffee Monsters Co 30%, Coffee Grounds 15%, Arctic Ice Cubes 10%, Oat Milk 9%, and Unknown Sparkles 6%. Anyway, again, I'll be keeping this box. So this side has a little emoji trying to break in with a spanner, and this side has, not a spanner, what do you call them? They're called a spanner, aren't they? Oh, you know what I mean. Anyway, and then this one has a key, and then this little detail's cool. So, hold on a minute. Oh, I went the wrong way. There you go. Anyway, the string wraps round it. So you just stick it in and then twist it round. Oh, and then that has like a little key. And then this is the bottle itself. I'll not be putting it in and out and in and out. Once I close this again, I'll probably keep it just for display. So let's do that. Cool. It's a nice little detail. Oh, and that's what the top looks like, by the way, if you're wondering. Love the colours of this. I'll link below part 1, by the way, if you missed it. Anyway, so this is Esterbrook, the Coffee Monsters Co Forgotten Iced Coffee. And I love the fact that it's a frosted bottle. Gorgeous. So let's open this up. Hold on, I need to run and grab a tissue. So you twist this towards you until the little piston, if you can see that, gets down to the bottom. And then I'm going to hold it this way, dip it in and twist it back the other way, and it'll draw the ink up. So dipping in, twisting up. Gosh, my hands are so shaky. Oh, I think I need to eat something. Anyway, here we go. Gorgeous. And then we'll just wipe this off. Lovely. And put this lid on because I'm a klutz and we'll end up with it all over my desk. Let's try it. So open it up. Ooh, that colour is so unique. It's a lot lighter than I was expecting it to be. Her other colour, the Coffee Monster, is very dark. See? But they're both equally gorgeous in their own way. And you don't have to use this ink with this, obviously. You can use whatever ink you want. I will treasure this pen. So the last thing that was special to this release, I got other bits and pieces that wasn't, is the blotter paper. This will be good to put in between the pages as a sort of pencil board, but also to stop the ink bleeding from one side to the other. But anyway, you get this larger one. It has the Esterbrook USA logo and hello from the little emoji. It's a gorgeous colour, that little book. And then you see, you get your little pen. The details are just awesome. And then this one says keep creating. It has the lid of the pen, the actual pen here, and a little ink bottle. And this one is a little pattern that doesn't have different colours, just dark brown and light brown, but it's coffee cup. That looks like Tombow markers, washi, etc. Tabletop treasures. And then this one is a set of 3. So it has all 3 of these patterns. But you can either use it as one or tear the perforated mark. Oh, you get that twice. So there's plenty to have. Let's finish off then with the extra little bits that I purchased at the same time, just quickly. This is a little journal card that came free with it. I can't remember the name of the artist, but this was one of her birthday collections where she did a theme based on various artists. And I'm making an idiot of myself because I can't remember the name of any of them. But anyway, that's what it's from. And then this is the April freebie sampler. So we have fast forward for when you're having one of those days. We have stomach troubles. Oh, the poor wee emoji. And then this wee one, just loving life out walking in the rain. I've just noticed, has that pen been there the whole year from the chapter 1? Has she been teasing us? And we didn't know. Anyway, so here is the little washi paper sheets I got for themes. So I got the 4 biomes. This is the icy biome, the Arctic, forest biome, the desert biome, and the ocean biome. And then I got large cozy Halloween doodles, and I have the washi. That'll be in October, I can use that. Large Be Bold doodles for when I'm having a crafty week. And then more of these because I couldn't help it. I'm actually going to set up after this my journal spread for today. I held off specifically because I want to do this theme. So I'll be able to use these. I'll do it over today and tomorrow. If you want to see what that looks like completed, I'll share it on my Instagram and my TikTok, which are at @WorthSarahB if you're interested. And then I also got some of the Tabletop Treasures food boxes again to use with this. And I have the washi sitting here ready to go. But I went through these in more detail in my other haul. So that is so exciting. Love every bit of it. Excellent collection. Congratulations to Helen and the team in Esterbrook for such a successful launch. My heart was hammering when I was ordering it. Oh, I didn't show the side of this box. It has a pen that says Squitch Scratch, and then same on the other side. Anyway, yes, thank you so much for watching and take care, and I will speak to you really soon. Bye.